Christmas! Time check! It's already 12:30.
Time check. Ang laki ng mukha. Tumaba sa Thailand.
Tonight is our second to the last night.
Alright.
Gwapo mo naman. My date. We ate here at King King Seafood, the original. So we have hipon again, rice with egg, and then rice with crab, and then this is chicken with rice.
Karage.
Karage.
Tingnan ko kung may laman pang makukuha here.
So good.
So good? May laman to. Sarap pa ng pagkaka-buttered. Kailangan kasi ito kamay. Gusto mo? Ito laman pa oh. Nice. Hot, right? Yes. Gusto mo takpan?
No wonder.
Sarap tsaka ano, okay yung pagkakadobo lahat natin.
Okay naman, nagustuhan niya. Bit more. Anong nilagay mo?
Sugar cubes, I think. Sarap pala ito, dark latte.
Ayaw mo pang tikman ah. Sarap naman, no? Inhaler. Sige, lapit mo pa. Moji. Pang-beauty. So, this is our last night here in Bangkok. So, mag-job fair kami for tonight. Grabe, super daming tao. We're gonna buy some fruit shake again. We're here at Job Fair. Pocket.
Yeah. Punong-puno na naman ang aking cantaloupe.
Fruit. Still yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Taste. Yan, muna ng wax paper. And then may gloves, merong spoon, paper plate. Kakain na naman kami. Last time, dyan kami kumain. So, ngayon, dito naman sa katabi niya. Mukhang ang sarap ng food.
River prawn ulit.
River prawn.
Tapos yung rice mo, crab fried rice.
Wow, cheese. Wow.
River prawn.
Sarap. This is our crab fried rice. Last night in our hotel,
Las Hura.
Las Pura, kumakain siya.
Lane. Love you.
Love you. Sige lang, chill ka lang dyan.
Chill.
May clickbait na. We have lots of photos. Stickers. And then, so we're fixing our stuff na. So now we're here sa tunnel.
Central Tunnel. Love you. Alright.
We're now here at Central Embassy Food Court. So we have this card. Gonna make ikot. Find some delicious food for our last lunch here in Bangkok. Nag-share kami ng pad thai and nag-share kami ng rice.
Ayaw mo ba ng octopus? Ganyan. Ayaw mo.
Ayoko niya.
Let's try it. They would. It's good.
What? Apa? Ano ba yung sauce to?
Oh, really?
Parang ketchup na sweet and sour.
Mabuhay sa Thailand.
Yeah.
With you.
Wow! That's what I want. To be with you.
Walang maniniwala. Hindi ako mahilig yung basol.
Pagkain na naman po niya ako dinadala.
Looks delicious.
Nag-bigsi kami! Ayan yung mga pinamili.
Ang dami.
Kakatikim na kakatikim. Napa isang box. Merong free box. Tapos yung packaging tape, bibilin mo pala sa loob. So nag-improvise lang kami. Mga tira-tirang tape. Kinuha namin. O, diba? We're going home na. This is our luggage. Goodbye, Golden House.
Bye.
Bye. And we're going to BTS. Bye, Golden House.
See you soon.
Hi.
Going to enter platform number 2.
Here. So, ayun guys, maaga kami nakarating dito sa airport, kaya mag-check muna kami ng food. Ayun siya. This is our lunch. Ay, this is our dinner.
Bloopers. Lunch daw. Ayun na naman siya.
Let's eat. Duck to, diba?
Chicken.
Mukha kasing duck. Yup. Meron na namang kakain. Kanina pa niya iniintay yan. Sabi niya, pagpasok ko dun, kakain ako ng masarap. Huling banat. So, nag-din and delu ka siya. Ang laki yung... time check 1:25. Check.
1:30.
Oh, 5 minutes deep. Meron isa doon. Kanina, pagpunta niya doon, sabi close na daw. Tapos pagkakita ko, may bumibili naman. So sabi ko, go na! Pila ka na! Takbo naman siya. Try it.
Medyo ilusawin ko lang.
Can I zip?
Meron yung yelo. Parang lipat tayo. Sarads na sila.
Good. Have a small one. Time check. We just arrived here in the Philippines.
Tama ba to? Ano? Hindi ah. Magna-9 na.
Ah. Okay.
Ay, sorry. Tama pala. Morning po.